So next up, guys, we've got a Hobart Champion 10,000. Be a welder and a generator, guys. 10,000 watt generator. I think it's also like a 230 amp welder. It's got a Kohler gas motor, showing just under 1,900 hours, I believe. I think it's got a new battery, guys. Starts up and runs. This came in with a whole group of equipment. A guy actually bought this at an auction with another group of equipment, like I said. He hasn't tested it. We don't have the leads for it. We can't test it either. So what we can tell you, it does start up and run and does things that way. So. Start right up. Zoom in on the controls here. There's the demo, guys, on the Hobart Champion 10,000 welder generator. We're going to go to auction time at Old 20 Auction.